we're talking about video today. Okay, so this month we're talking about all the noise and social media and all the ads that you're going to be getting through just traversing the internet. And so we're going to talk about the video aspect, because a lot of videographers, a lot of production companies, a lot of freelancers are going to be going out, and this is a prime time to go out and try to find clients, especially for the new year. So I'm going to tell you how to kind of traverse all that and what you should really look for when talking about video. I know we've talked about it a lot, but for most of you who have known or dealt with video can be very expensive, and we don't want you wasting your money or going out and getting a cool video but not knowing what to do with it. So the first thing is, in my opinion, most of the ads about the video production, or any ads about a freelancer wanting to do work for you, none of them are really bad in any way. They're usually hard workers. They usually can produce pretty good content, especially if you look at their website, or if they have a website, you can look at their work. Usually you get what you get, and if it's good, then it's good to you. But the main thing I would say to look out for is not that people are trying to scam you with video, or that the video is going to be bad or whatnot. It's that when you're looking at just purely video production companies, or just videographers or freelancers, you're not going to have a marketing strategy behind that video when you go to them. So essentially, a video is all great, but it's basically useless without a strategy. You can have like the best video in the world, but if you don't get it out to people, you don't have a strategy to push it or make that video give you a good ROI, then it's not necessarily the best investment. So unless you have your own marketing arm in your company, or you're really involved and you like doing that, then maybe these places are good. But I would say really look into the strategy and developing a strategy before you go and blow a ton of money on a giant, amazing video. Even the smallest videos cost a decent amount of money, and you don't want to just throw that out if you're not going to get enough return on investment. To wrap it all up, basically video can be pretty simple, but we just want to make sure you know what you're going for. You want to know what your end goal is. You want to know who you're marketing to, what the whole plan is, and you want to have a good back end before you have a good front end, so it can really push and do the best it can. So you don't want to throw all your money out for something that's not going to give you an ROI. So that's basically it. Just make sure you're smart about things. So that's it from me. So I'll see you next time, and have a good new year. Make sure to like and follow us. Yes.
Eat it.